Welcome to our YouTube video on how to pin a group you've joined on Facebook. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step process to pin a group on your Facebook app. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the menu options. Then, look for and tap on Groups from the menu list. This will display a list of all the groups you have joined on Facebook. Find and tap on the group that you want to pin. Once you have selected the group, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, tap on Pin Group. This will automatically pin the selected group to the top of your list of groups. And there you have it. You have successfully pinned a group you've joined on Facebook. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day.